Okay, Acomodo Crypto here again, but this time I would like to talk a little bit about dollar cost average. Okay, as you can see here, I am in a this is a loss. Okay, I'm losing money here, minus 133. Okay, why? Because something happened, of course, because you were in a bad trade. Yes, that happens a lot. Come on, let's be honest. Let and what should we do? Sometimes of course, we need to stick with our with our stop loss. That's what we need to do. Okay, but sometimes we don't. We have different techniques. What happened in my case was that this was my EOS, my trades. If I show you guys here, I have a lot of successful trades, but here I bought at this price here six. You see, follow me here. This price, I bought it here, and then I start selling it at 649, 649, 650, 650, 650, 651, and I was shorting, and then I start buying again. Okay, 637, 637, 618, 609, and then 6. You see, this was the time when I executed this huge buy that was 565 $2 cost average, and then I then this was my problem. Okay, because EOS start to dump, and I was with a huge loss here. Not a huge loss, but I was in a bad position. If you dollar cost average here, my position was 575 probably. Because I bought some, but I bought some to make profit, but I did I scaled order here on Phoenix. And this scaled order, I was not thinking about EOS going to this 565. So if it, I was really confident that it would, if it triggers, I would make a lot of money when it goes up. Okay, this was my mistake. Okay, you see this buy here. So then I started what? I started dollar cost averaging. Okay, I start selling it. Okay, but not my entire position, guys. This was 535, 555, 569. I start selling it. Okay, I start selling it, and at different prices, as you can see. Okay, but some of them are canceled, right? Yes, this was executed. I don't know why I sold this one, but I sold. You see prices, and then I was buying again, like here. Oh, this is all. Where is mine? Where's? No, that's correct, isn't it? Executed only. Oh yes, let me show. Sorry. So then what happened? I started selling it. You see, minus 500 EOS at this 728, and then I bought again at 514. Okay, then I sold at 537, 537, 541, and then I bought again at 525. So, which made me low my base price. I was 575. Okay, this was my base price. That means I was in a really bad trade, but I wasn't really. I am confident that of this movement here. So because of my TA, I was confident that I didn't need to stop loss. I could dollar cost average this price, and that's what I did. I sold. See, guys, I sold at higher prices and bought at lower prices. That's it. Okay, so then I have this amount. Okay, this is my position, and 129 of this loss was huger. It was not huger, sorry, it was like 300. For me it's amazing that I could uh, I could I could do this technique to make my loss smaller, and now I have a higher probability of a profit using this position. Of course, the funding cost I paid, okay, but not it's not that much. Based on my calculations here, if it's likely to break above, of course I'm gonna have some kind of stop loss, yes. But if it breaks above the D, or if it goes to the D, and then I feel that's like okay, it's not gonna break D, I'm gonna sell again here and buy again here to lower, guys, to lower this price here. Okay, this is what I'm doing. So if I was like 575 here, okay, and like I was here, I entered at a really bad position, like 6, you know, I entered at 6 and I was lowering it 6 and 6. I bought some at 6 and I bought some at 565, and then I decided to start. You see, 528. I sold and I bought at 514. Again, 537, 537, 541, and I bought at 525. Okay, so this is what I did. Okay, by doing so, I could like lower the base price, and it's obvious that it's better. This is one of the techniques that you can use when you enter a bad position, because it happens a lot. Okay, this was not the first time that I was like chasing my position. I don't like to do that. Okay, it's not the best way of trading, but you need to understand. You need to have this kind of technique in your. You need to understand. You need to be really. You need to have this option. Yes. Well, now I am like 1%. 1% is okay, but it's a rather large position here. But 1% loss, 2%, right? I'm gonna turn this into a profit. I'm definitely. I'm gonna show you guys when I am in a profit here, and I'm gonna show you guys how did it end up for me. If I end up stopping loss, okay. Next trade. In this case, I decided to do this. I decided to not lose money. Okay, sometimes it's better to just stop loss and just recover your balance. You know, you won't pay like this your funding cost, and you won't need to incur the risk of losing a lot. Okay, but this is one technique. Okay, you sell not your entire position, you sell some of your position and buy again to lower your base price. That's what I did. That's what I did. Okay, yesterday, Sunday, I recorded it, and remember, I was in a loss, right? And I told you guys, okay, I was expecting. I was in a buy position, and I was expecting to what? I was dollar costing average until I get to the 544. Okay, and I sold yesterday at 549. See? That's amazing, guys. Okay, so I turn my bad position, okay, in a good position, and of course I entered another trade here, 527, and I sold for 538. Okay, see, 538. These sideways movements, I entered. I was like here. I entered somewhere like here, 27. Of course, I won't catch the bottom. It's so difficult to predict those movements. I knew that it would get to somewhere around around here, and I entered, but I wasn't awake. I was asleep, and then I took my profit. It's okay. If it goes higher than 530, I'm sorry. If it goes higher than 538, it's not a problem. Okay, this is actually BTC EOS. Okay, sorry guys. So I entered it 527, sold it, another good trade. But my lesson here is, you see, I turned my bad trade in a good one using dollar cost average, using following the trend, of course, selling and buying again to get out of a bad trade. Okay, this technique, it's not always effective. Okay, sometimes you need to stop loss and deal with it. But that's it. Okay, and always take your profit, guys. Don't wait for it to get don't try to play it big. You know, I should have wait for this 541. You see, oh my goodness, I sold for 538. But okay, that was for me 138%. 138% is, it's my goal for every day. I have a goal to make at least 1% profit with margin. Okay, and that's it. It's not a problem for me if I manage to do so. It's if I manage to just 1%, it's okay. So here we have the chart. I don't know if it's gonna play like this. I'm starting to have second guesses, to have second thoughts again. It's a bit weird. I don't know if it's gonna break it and get to those levels here. But if it do so, I'm gonna enter like here. Okay, I won't wait for. I'm not gonna buy again. It's too risky. Like here, I won't wait. If it goes down here, it's gonna go down for good. You know, it's waiting for Bitcoin. That's what's happening. But I think that's it for my dollar cost average trading technique. And thank you very much. If you haven't followed me on social media, on Twitter, please consider doing so. And it's always a pleasure to have you guys in our server. Please join us, Crypto Trader Educational Institute. Like and subscribe, guys. Give me a little bit of love. Thank you very much, and I see you guys a bit later with my Bitcoin update. Okay, cheers.